Good morning, everyone. So we are T-minus 1 day until wiring. So called in a couple reinforcements this morning. Doug, my buddy Doug, and John, who that's his white car over there, are gonna come help knock out this little list we got. I'm currently working on getting the secondary Dragon Drive fuel cell ready. We just wanted to have, we're not gonna do, well, I say that, but I think we're gonna do sick week in February, so kind of have to have that. But that way you can get wired for the fuel pump that's back there. So I'm working on that. I got to get the filler cap set in there. It's the way the deck lid is on these cars. It's like it comes like, you can kind of see by this radius. It comes super low right here, and then it so it makes this area really tight. So I made this tank a little too tall. So the cap, I couldn't put the cap on top. So I'm gonna have to like recess it down on the tank. So it's gonna be sitting somewhat, flush. The cap will be flush with the top of the tank, if that makes sense. So I'm working on that. And then they are gonna work on this little list. Got to put the starter in it. Let's see, still gotta get the fitting on the trans, on the servo cover. There's a fitting pressure sensor on there that we have to, the way it's set up, you see it's because the sensor is too stubby. So I have to find fitting. I think John's searching for that. Mount the MAC valve for the shifter. I'm working on the fuel cell coolant pressure sensor. We gotta pull the radiator off, weld a couple bungs for that, and waiting on some spacers for fuel rails. Gotta throw the alternator on, which means take off the motor plate because the alternator is really close, and then the tab for front shock sensors. So we are going to, on the bolt, we're gonna tap the head of it for a probably, I think whatever size that threads to. I think it's like 1032. So that's a short list. I'd really like to get fuel lines done before we take it to wiring, just so they're there, but I don't think it's gonna matter. So I'm leaving early Monday. Probably gonna load up the car Monday morning. We're supposed to have really bad storms here Sunday. I really don't want the car sitting in the enclosed, just in case we get big hail. I trust the shop roof more than I trust a wooden trailer. So probably load it up early Monday, then take off. We have to make a quick stop at Motion Raceworks. So we're gonna pick up a Rife sensor block and get all the sensors off of the motor. So that was kind of a last minute decision, but Doug Cook messaged me and convinced me. I was already convinced that it's a better option. It's expensive, and but I was convinced, so we're gonna swing by there, check out their shop since I've never been, and then we'll head up to Jolt. What's going on, everyone? It's a early Monday morning, and I did horrible at updating you guys what we were doing. So car's on the ground, and it's like 5:30 in the morning, about to load it up and take it to Jolt. Gotta make a small pit stop at Motion Raceworks, pick up a Rife sensor block, and then we will be headed up to Jolt. So yeah, we basically got everything done on our list. Got everything bolted together. So it's now on the ground. So this is the first time it's been on the ground with any weight on the front. So looks pretty cool. Got the alternator on. Got the shock sensors mounted up front. I'll kind of show those. So it's just a tab with a, and then we drilled and tapped the bolt on the bottom. So those will work out really nicely. I got the rear fuel cell done. Doug came up Saturday. I didn't really film. I was really busy. But he got the MAC valve mounted under the shifter. And then we got to put it on the scales. So I'll kind of tell the YouTube because you guys have seen every bit of this and it's not a grudge car. But the weight with me in it, and remember those are still stock doors, steel doors, was 2288. So it's pretty much a rocket ship at this point. We're just going with that. We're gonna call it SpaceX. No, I'm just kidding. It's 2288. Obviously we still have wiring, windows, drive shaft, all that other stuff, but it's a good start. I'm excited. It's a pretty lightweight car, so yeah, I'm gonna get it loaded up.